Welcome back, Secondhand Overland. As you can see in the driveway here, we have a new structure. I picked myself up a new environmental protection roof for myself. Scored some industrial rack with some 11-foot cross sections. I used 4 upright sections, which are cut to 12 feet each. This current height is actually 8.5 feet, just enough to be able to fit my truck. I used 16-foot 2x4 front to back. The original particle board 4x8 sheet, which was on the original, came with the racking. I used it as roof material, and then I topped it with tin. So this is my quick pre-built structure tent replacement. Finally got the parts in for the 4.7 Jeep engine, which we're going to take care of right away. And these are the bearings and the oil pan gasket. This is the particle board that came with the rack. It's 1 inch thick particle board, so it's super thick. Worked really well for roof material on my roof structure. And then I clad it with Home Depot tin. Here you can see the tin I used. I used 12-foot sections that were 36 inches wide. It took 4 of them, and then 2 10-foot sections 36 inches wide, and I cut them in half, which covered a span of 16 feet by 12 feet. Looks pretty good.